Welcome to the Gordon Ramsay Academy. It's been 3 years in the making. The day has finally come, and I can't tell you enough how excited I am to bring you inside. Let's go and take a look inside one of the kitchens first. This room here is where all the magic takes place. This is set for sort of 12 guests. The kitchen is incredible. The setup is fantastic. The equipment is amazing. And the sense of camaraderie and passion and excitement in here is second to none. Now, for many years I've been collecting umpteen cookbooks, and every chef on the planet has a library. I've decided to bring my library here, right inside the academy. So inside this little room, this is sort of like a chill out area. You can either come in here before the class, halfway through the class, or even right at the end. Honestly, there must be a couple of thousand cookbooks in here. And more importantly, something just to sit down and sort of indulge and forget what's going on outside and literally get your head around a book, get inspired, get lifted. Now, let me show you the epicenter of the academy. It's the main arena where everything's put together, and it's headed up by one of the most talented chefs in Britain, head of culinary. Please meet Rob. Rob, how are you,
Gordon,
sir?
very good.
Good to see you, man.
Likewise.
Now, we've just had the most amazing sort of look around. That smells good. What are we cooking?
We've got a pumpkin and amaretti tortellini with a burnt butter, sage and oyster mushroom sauce.
That sounds amazing. Shall we?
Indeed.
Let's go. Right, let's get cooking.